How to add soundboard to Discord mobile. Everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add soundboard to Discord mobile. So if you want to add soundboard to Discord mobile, you have to follow this step. So Discord mobile enable user to share audio clip and enhance communication with the fellow server here. So it is first of all you have to open up the any browser that you can use in your mobile device. And here you have to just search for the Discord login. Once you have this with the Discord login, here you can see your Discord page, just tap on that. And here you have to just go and navigate to your, just go and tap on the login option. So here you have to tap on the sign in option and provide your email and password of your Discord. So once you are on your Discord, you have to just go for the three dot and enable your desktop site on your Discord. So once you are here, you have to just go for your Discord homepage. And here you have to just go and click on this one. So after clicking on this one here on our server, you have to just go and tap on the three dot and just disable your desktop mode. And here you have to just go back and refresh your feed. So once you are on your server, here you have to just tap on this server here, and you should be able to see your server setting. Just tap on the server setting. Once you are on your server setting, you should see your soundboard. You have to just tap on that and go ahead here. And here you can see the upload sound option. Just go and tap on the upload sound. Here you have to just choose a file from your files, or you can record here. So just like this, you have to just go back here and just go for the browse option and you can record. After that, just go and click on this arrow option and you have to just write the sound name and select the emoji and just go for the upload option here. So here you have to tap on the upload option. So this is the simple step how you can add Discord. This is the simple step how you can add soundboard to Discord mobile. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.